Coco, what is it? Come on. Come on. What is it, Coco? Hi, Snowball. Hey, what is it, Coco? What is it? What is it, Snowball? What is it? What is it? What up, guys? Matt Along6 here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys in a little unboxing and then a setup on how to upgrade your own hotspot. So in today's video, I have the 5.8 dBi antenna, and I also have the 8 dBi antenna. If you guys don't know about dBi and stuff, check out this video. And let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright, you girls ready? You girls ready? She left. Hey girls, you girls ready to unbox this thing? You wanna box it? You wanna box it, Coco? Well, get away, I got a knife! Go, 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 go! That's right, I have a knife and I'm gonna open it up myself. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. And let's see. Ooh, I thought it was gonna be white, but that's not white. See, that's fiberglass antenna. This is the 5.8 dBi one. Let me go ahead and get it out of the plastic wrap. Okay, so I got it out of the packaging, and you can see here there's an N-type connector right here. There's another N-type connector inside of one of these packages that goes inside of that. And so I don't know what this does, so this is going to be interesting. And then here is also another N-type connector, so you can put it on here, screw it in, and then you'll be good, because it looks like it comes with an RP-SMA cable here. If you do not have that cable, or this is not long enough for you, then you definitely need to check out this video, because in that video I share with you guys what connector you actually need in order to upgrade your antenna. Basically, you will be good with using this little connector as long as you are okay with the length. And if you have a Bobcat, you're going to need to make sure you get the right cable, because this is the wrong one. Anyways, I guess we are good to go ahead and open up the next one. So it comes with some brackets. I do not know what this is. Maybe I'll have to do some research and get back to you. But basically, there's an N-type connector that plugs into the other thing. And then there's this little wire part. So maybe I'll learn what that is here later. You want treats? You want treats? Good girls. Alright, you girls want a treat? Good girl. Hey guys. Alright, so now we're going to get the 8 dBis. You can see they each got a treat. Anyways, let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Basically, I'm going to assume that it's exactly the same, just longer. Make sure you know which dBi you want before you consider upgrading yourself. If you have very long antenna, that means you have a higher dBi, which means it will travel farther, but it won't be very good if you need it on top of a skyscraper, because the shorter ones will come down a little bit. More about this in that other video. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys how to actually connect these to your miners and set them up. Okay, so I have the Nebra indoor miner here, and just show you how easy it is. All you need to do is unscrew the old one, put it to the side, save it for later in case you ever want it again. Take out the jumper cable you got. As an example, I'm just going to use the one they got here because it works with the Nebra indoor miner. If you have Bobcat, remember you may need to grab a different one, just a SMA cable. Or if you want to get a longer one, we've already talked about that. So basically, all you want to do is take that part, screw it right in here, and make sure that the pins match. So I got a pin coming out here and a pin coming in there, so I got the right connectors. So let's go ahead and screw it back on. So then with this, now you're just going to take this N-type connector. Alright, so make sure you push it in and then twist. You need to push first to get this N-type connector on. And then there you go. Now you would take your cable, put the indoor miner indoor, and then take this, run it wherever you want, and then bracket it on. Okay, so when you are upgrading the antenna for your hotspot, one thing to keep in mind is maybe some accessories you may want to buy with it. So here is a cable that will lengthen it, making it longer than the default one that it comes with. And then there is also one for the Bobcat, and which is different. See, the other ones have RP SMA male to N-type, while the Bobcat requires SMA male to male connector. And then you could also get cable management, and you could get a helium hotspot t-shirt, and you may want to buy a new bracking system than the one that it comes with. So there's one here that makes it better to go on your house directly, as you can see, so it's kind of cool. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Leave comments down below about how I can better mount this and such. And if you guys would like to see my monthly earnings video, check out this playlist of every single month I share with you guys a vlog of how much money I make with all my helium hotspots, my helium staking, my hopper staking, and stuff like that. I also have a quantum staking video coming out where you guys may be interested in staking your own quantum with the Avado. And you can also do it without an Avado. So subscribe and hit that bell for that video coming up. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you learned something. I hope that it was very helpful. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. Good girl, Coco. Good girl. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Okay, cut that part out.